Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete a friend on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, choose on your profile and double click menu option, choosing your Facebook ID. Okay, tap on your profile, scroll down, click on see all friends, just click and show your all friends. Loading page, just wait and show your all friend and just click three dot option and friend someone. Okay, click three dot and tap on unfriend option, just click and delete a friend on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.